Hello and welcome to this description and tutorial of the hardware for our Emerson RX3i PLC trainer. So the arrangement is in the form of slots in which these modules are connected through a backplane. In first place, we have on slot number 0 and 1 power supplies. The leftmost power supply is a 24-volt power supply used to power every module on this rack. The rack components, which are the slots, are connected via a backplane. The module number 1 right here is a power pack power supply, which is just extra capacitors and filtration units for the CPU, providing a very stable and ripple-free DC voltage. On slot number 2 right here is the CPU. This is the PLC, the controller, in charge of communicating with the additional modules. So it also has contained within an Ethernet module for the communications with the other devices such as HMIs and the VFDs, and with the engineering station or the computer. On slot number 3, we have digital or discrete inputs. These inputs are made by 16 toggle switches that are powered by 24 volts internally from the digital input module, and it also has 16 pilot lights that would indicate the position or the state of each and every input. On slot number 4, we have the digital or discrete outputs, which send 24 volts to different devices. In this case, we have them connected to 10 LEDs. That is slot number 4. On slot number 5, we have analog inputs. These are 8 analog inputs. They are universal, so they are made up of different types of signals that can be connected to it, such as 4 to 20 milliamps, 0 to 10 volts, negative 10 to 10 volts, thermocouples, RTDs, and potentiometers. So it's very, very handy, and it will show us how to work with any type of device or sensor from the field. On slot number 5, we have analog outputs. Slot number 6, analog outputs. These analog outputs have 2 of them that are configured also universally. They can be 0 to 10 volts, 4 to 20 milliamps, 1 to 5 volts, and 0 to 5 volts. These 2 analog outputs are connected to a analog pointer we have here, a ampermeter, and also can be connected to the VFD. On this last slot, which was after the trainer was commissioned, we have added 4 momentary inputs, push buttons, that are connected to the slot number 3 digital inputs. So the last 4 of these digital inputs are connected to these push buttons, and they are part of this digital input module.